So I'm going to jump into the look straight away. So I like to kind of prime my face and my eyes, and I'm using the Yes 2 brand, and this is the Cucumber Eye Primer. And then for brows, I'm going to be using the PS 3-in-1 Brow. I really love this pencil. You get 3 kind of different things. You get a pencil, you get a powder, and you also get a brush. And this was only £2 from Primark, and I honestly love this product so much. For eyes, I'm going to be taking the I Heart Revolution chocolate palette, and I'm going to grab this nice whitey kind of beigey colour, and I'm going to apply that all over my lids, and this is going to be my base colour. Then using the same palette, I'm going to take that beautiful warm chocolate colour and I'm going to work that into my crease, and this is going to be my transition colour. The doctors say they know what it feels like, how it feels to be at ease. Now going in with that same base colour, I'm just going to gently apply that onto my lids. Next, I'm going to grab the Technic Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to grab that beautiful coppery brownie colour, and I'm going to apply that all over my lids. This palette is super pigmented and I love it because it gives such a glittery, sparkly, kind of shimmery effect. The colours are stunning. Now going in with a different chocolate palette, I'm going to be grabbing this nice colour, and I believe it's called Fairy. And I'm going to put that into the centre of my eyes, into the tear ducts, and I'm also going to use this as a highlight for my brow. I usually do falsies with this look because it is quite a dramatic look. However, I'm going to show you how you can naturally wear it as well, and I'm just going to be using a mascara, and I'm just going to fill in my top lashes. Okay, so now we're going to move on to face makeup. So I am using the Clinique foundation and concealer in one, and I'm going to apply that all over my face. I like to use a beauty blender when applying foundation, and obviously you need to wet it. However, I actually use a fixing spray just to dampen it. Now using my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, I'm going to grab the colour Shadow Play, and I'm going to start contouring. I am who I'm meant to be. Over and out again. My future needed clarity, so I could see how you react, to me. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to start by concealing under my eyes and I always take a little bit on my chin, down the bridge of my nose and on my forehead.
Doubted all that I could do, knowing what I need to do. All I can say, the word is thank you. I think it's what you need to push.
Now to set that concealer in place, I like to use the colour Lyric on the Shade and Light palette, and this is just a quick, easy way of setting it all in place. Now just for that extra bit of contour on my nose, I'm going to be taking the KKW Beauty contour stick, and I'm just going to apply that on my nose and just contour. I feel like when you've got a nose contour, everything looks put together. Now for my favourite part, the highlighter. I'm going to take the MAC Show Gold highlighter, and I'm going to use a beauty blender because I've been obsessed with using a beauty blender to apply highlight. I just feel like it just is more dramatic and it just looks so good. I love this colour. It's like a pink goldy shimmery colour. So there we go, that is the look. I'm just going to finish it off with a lipstick from Body Shop in the colour Nude, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe if you did, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!